What you wanna do, baby? Where you wanna go? I'll take you to the moon, baby. I'll take you to the floor. I'll treat you like a real lady, no matter where you go.
He's coming closer, he's gonna kill us.
Shit, she's just walking the aisles.
Roll the windows up. I'm scared. Human trafficking.
He's just getting his workout.
In the parking lot? He literally was all the way over there. Now he's over here. How?
He's looking up. Ew, man.
So this is copyright. So we're having a mukbang today.
You're a YouTube person. All right, go.
You just interrupted me.
All right.
So what are we having today? We're having this is TJ's mukbang.
Mukbang.
So I have some Chinese food and Jello. Yummy, yummy.
Ew.
Okay, whatever.
That's nasty.
Then do something.
What are we gonna talk about?
I don't know. You want to answer some questions?
What questions we got, Mel? We got no fucking questions.
Ask me something you don't know about me. It's a burning question.
I don't have a burning question.
So, are you scared to go home tonight?
Why not be scared?
Because your mom's gonna whoop your ass. Really at the garage.
What are you talking about?
Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
in their business, man.
I just exposed you. I'm so sorry.
This is over.
Okay, I'm back. So, what's your idea of a perfect date?
Like just a day or like all day you mean?
Did you lose your appetite? Anyways, answer the question. Excuse me, I'm sorry. My bad. Like, it doesn't matter how long it is. Just like a date. It can be all day or whatever.
I don't know, but I would like to have like a outside picnic date. I think that would be really nice.
Oh, really?
Yeah, on a nice sunny day, and got the little cover on the ground, whatever, and the picnic basket, and we like eat stuff, whatever.
That's
Yeah,
so
it's
funny.
nice. I think that's cool.
So funny. That's it?
Yeah.
You know, a couple weeks from now, you're gonna be laughing. And you're gonna think I'm lying, but I'm not. And you don't know what I'm talking about right now, but let's just say.
We're talking about our anniversary.
No.
That's what we do for our anniversary?
No!
You have a picnic date?
TJ, you don't know.
You barely just said
No,
that.
I did not say that.
Yeah, caught.
By the way, an anniversary is a year. This is not
I
a
mean,
year.
our what is it called? Our 6 month, whatever. That's what you want to do?
No.
That's crazy. I like said that.
You know, that is crazy because I was gonna.
I didn't know who was doing that.
I know because I was.
Yeah, well, yeah.
I was gonna,
Shit.
you know, be like, surprise!
Yeah, not surprising anymore.
Well, yeah.
I'm sorry
because
about that. I just did it to a couple.
It's okay.
Okay.
Ruined the surprise.
Well, that's interesting. I want
Is
to
it?
do that.
Huh?
I want them to have that kind of date, so that's cool.
That's really funny. Yeah, I was just like, what? I was gonna do that. It's really weird.
burping so much?
Because I have a lot of carbonation. Do you plan on living in North Carolina forever? Like,
No.
like you might live somewhere else for a couple years, but in the end you'll end up here. Do you think that?
No.
Where do you think you'll end up? Miami?
Yes.
You want two different things?
We're gonna be together, so it don't matter.
You want to get married young? I want to get married middle.
What?
You want to have 3 kids? I want to have like 2. You want to have kids at a young age? I want to have kids at 10 years from now. You want to move to Miami?
Why are you exposing us? Like,
Sorry.
God, you're talking too much.
I want to move to New York. Okay, I'll stop. I'm done.
Golly, bro. You ain't be exposing, exposing things like that, man.
Alright. Because they're going to use it against us?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I just want to make this nasty. That's why you wanted to do this video.
No.
Okay. So after, we're gonna What? I was telling you.
No one cares.
I'm telling you. I have
Alright,
napkins in
next.
my car.
What are you saying?
Okay, next guys, we're gonna go pick up some girls.
Oh my God! I just told you I'm not doing that.
Cause you're so good at that.
No, I'm not. I have a girlfriend.
You do? Who's a girlfriend?
You.
Oh. It's a social experiment, boy.
No. Why don't you do it then?
Because I can't do it.
Why not?
Because no one likes me. I'm so ugly.
Ugly. Ugly. Hmm.
Ugly, ugly, you're repeating it because it's true?
No.
Mm-hmm.
I'm with you, or not.
For what reason?
Personality.
That's it? But just personality because I'm ugly?
And looks. Ew.
Yeah, you. But you know, girls are like a tall chocolate basketball player. Not me, I was saying, like, you know, the type of girls that go to the movies on Saturday nights. And it's really late too. I'm like, what?
No, I feel good. My stomach hurt. Oh shit.
What? Why are you looking at me like that?
Ugly.
I'm gonna slap. I'm gonna give you a purse slap before your mom slaps you tonight.
No, I'm not gonna slap me.
No, you're right. She'll whoop your ass. Okay, well, this is the end of Noah's Mukbang. Let's give a round of applause for our special guest, Serial TJ Smithfield. Goodbye!